After the clearance of these 4 balls, I want to share with you something that I discovered. It's a very powerful shot that I'm venturing to say that most of you do not know. Occasionally, as we practice, we stumble on to great shots, and I have found one here. So if you're a serious pool player that really wants to learn, you're going to want to stick around for the next 2 minutes to learn about this shot. Hello pool players, got the last 4 of the Nick Marner 9-ball drill. I've been working on this for about a week and I found something. I want to share it with you guys. A lot of times I'm getting kind of straight in up here on the 7, but I can pocket the 7 in that corner and I can get shape all the way down table here even though it's almost a straight in shot. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let me first of all pocket the 6 and try to gain that straight in position I'm talking about. This is top right here. Okay, I actually got perfect here. This is actually the perfect angle to get on this 8. So what I'm going to do to speed up this video, I'm going to just put this cue ball way back here, about a 1/4 inch off the cushion. So the key on this shot, to let you know, is we're going to use follow, of course. We're going to load up with the left spin. Now I want to aim this 7 at this wing of the pocket. I don't want to aim it dead down the rail. I'm going to aim it at that wing right there, and I want to have a nice smooth follow through here. A lot of left spin with follow. And that is perfect right there. Now all I got to do is go forward with it with some top inside and watch how I can get on the 8 or the 9. Going to flow into the shot line of the 9. I got a little bit far. Not bad, not bad. And I'm just going to roll this into center ball. That shot right there that I learned, that thing is almost dead straight. Load up with spin and you guys are going to win. I'll tell you what, if you have any questions or comments on this video, leave them in the comment section below. I'll answer everyone. And please share this video. It helps my channel tremendously. I need your help. If you want to see another great tutorial, watch this one right here. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.